Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is connected. Connected is an A2 level adjective, and it means linked or related. So, what does it really mean to be connected? Well, in simple terms, it means joined together, linked, or related in some way. It could be physically joined, like two train cars, or it could be abstract, like two ideas that are connected through a common theme. It's a really versatile word that we use all the time. Let's delve deeper into understanding this word. Think of it like this. Your phone is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. Or you might say that you feel connected to your family and friends. See how it works? Now, let's explore some synonyms for connected. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, which can help us understand connected from different angles. One synonym is linked. For example, the two countries are linked by a strong trade agreement. Another synonym is related. For example, the two incidents are related to each other. And another great synonym is associated. For example, she is associated with a charity organization. See how these words express a similar idea of being joined or associated. Now, let's flip the script and explore some antonyms for connected. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Understanding antonyms helps us define connected by showing us what it is not. One antonym is disconnected. For example, I felt disconnected from the conversation. Another antonym is isolated. For example, the village is isolated from the rest of the world. And a third antonym is separated. For example, the two companies are separated entities. These antonyms show us the opposite of being joined or linked, highlighting the meaning of connected even further. Now, let's talk about how we use connected in everyday life. You'll hear and use this word all the time. For instance, someone might say, "I'm so glad we connected at the conference." This means they were happy to meet and establish a relationship. Or you might hear someone say, "Is this device connected to the power source?" referring to a physical connection. Another common expression is to say someone is well connected, meaning they know a lot of influential people. Now, let's look at some more usage examples to really solidify your understanding. Here are some sentences. The bridge connected the two sides of the river. She felt connected to nature during her hike. The internet has connected people all over the world. The police are trying to determine if the two crimes are connected. My flight has a connecting flight in Chicago at 3 p.m. And here are a few phrases. Connected to the internet. Well-connected individual. Connected by friendship. A connected network. So, to recap, connected is an A2 level adjective that means linked or related. We learned some synonyms like linked, related, and associated, and some antonyms like disconnected, isolated, and separated. We explored its usage in everyday conversations and common expressions. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word connected a little bit better. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word connected and share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.